Hi, this is Mark Porto with another tech tip from Automotive Research and Design. Today's topic is high voltage shielded cable used between the power inverter and the electric machine on a hybrid or electric vehicle. Let's take a look at the one of the first designs of the high voltage cable. You can see here that these cables are individual cables. We have conduit on the outside, and then we have the cable, of course, running on the inside, and this is shielded cable. The cable looks something like this. You have a copper core, you have an outer sheath on the copper, then you have the shield itself, and then you have an outer sheath. Now the shield is made up of either aluminum or copper, and it's meant to keep the high frequency electrical switching noise from getting out of the cable or from any high frequency noise getting into the cable that would interrupt signals or cause some interruption in the signal between the power inverter and the electric machine. Now, we started out with individual cables early on in hybrids, and then what happened is we graduated over to this unit over here, which you can see there's shielding here. But what we have here is we have three wires or cables absolutely embedded inside of the shield here, and we have a shield that goes around all three wires. So the way this one works is there is unshielded cable inside here, which is actually less expensive. And then we put a large shield on the outside to shield all three cables. So you can use either shielded cable, individual cables, or you can put the shield all the way around the cables. Again, all the cables are shielded on the high voltage system. If the cable becomes compromised where the shield is actually cut or severed, you have to replace the cable. There's really no way of repairing the shield. If the outer sheath is compromised at all, in other words, if you have a cut just in the outer sheath but the shield has not been compromised, there are some manufacturers that have released tape to actually tape this up. It's called Vocal Wrap, and you can actually tape the outer sheath to make it waterproof. It's actually hermetically sealed after you put the shield, the tape on the outer sheath here, and that's an approved repair. So check your service information and see if you're permitted to use the tape by the manufacturer, and if not, then they're going to ask you to repair or replace the cable. So that's your tech tip for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you back here next time.